Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak. Today I'm going to show you how to make vermicelli Zarda. This is very popular in many countries, and I'm going to tell you this is also called semi Zarda. So this is how you break them. So these are not too small, these are not very long again. And you can see the other ingredients we are going to use it. You can use vegetable oil. We are using butter, but you can use ghee or vegetable oil. We are using sugar. As you can, sugar, half cup of sugar. It depends on how sweet you want. So depending on the sweet and your taste, you add sugar with it. And this is what it depends on. You can use tang. We are using a little bit of lemon. This is optional. It depends on you. Some people use color, but we don't like color. That's why we are using this one. And I believe this is gonna bring some flavor to it. So country lemonade I like, that's why I'm using, but you can use tang or any other juice powder that you like. And this is you can use raisin, but we are using cranberry. Raisin in fact gonna be better, but since we don't have raisin right now, we are using cranberry. And this is what is very good. As you can see, this is almond, but you can use cashews or different nuts, but we broke it in because almond is too big. That's why you can use this kind of, you can buy this kind of almonds, but we made it though. Let me show you how it is. You see. So and for flavor we are gonna use. Let me show you. Don't avoid this flavor. So for bay leaves, we took 5 bay leaves here, but let me show you. These bay leaves are not big. These are very small, very cute bay leaves. But if your bay leaf is too big, too fat one, then you use 2 of them. Otherwise, if it is cute like mine one, you can use like 5 or 4 of them. These are gonna help you, to spread flavor. You can see some of the rough, small, cute cinnamon here. But if the cinnamon is big one, then you can use only 1 cinnamon. Otherwise, this kind of cinnamon is okay. This amount of cinnamon is okay. And here you can see cardamom. Green cardamom is recommended because they spread more flavor than any other kind of cardamom. So this is all we're gonna use. We're just frying it a little bit without any oil or butter, so the raw taste does not stay there anymore. Make sure you have to do it in low heat, otherwise it's gonna burn. Now with the mild heat, I just took a little bit of butter and I'm just gonna fry it a little bit so it doesn't have any more raw taste. It's gonna be crispier in fact. And I'm gonna add all the spices. You put the spices with the butter so they spread flavor. Then cook the vermicelli in low heat and add sugar. And make sure the flame will be always mild. And you always have to stir it well so it doesn't get burnt. So now is the time to add the lemon juice powder. I just put a little bit of water with it, and then you have to stir it well. Add a little more sugar gradually and make sure you stir it well. At the end you just add the nuts and you stir it well. If you have grated coconut, you can also use it. I'm just gonna fry a little bit before I use it. So now our vermicelli Zarda sweets are done, ready to be served. As you can see, you can decorate or you can garnish them with a little bit of raisin or nuts like this, and make sure you don't keep them together. You separate them, space them out so they look good and they don't get stuck. So thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.